I've been thinking about ya and all the things you said that other night. I can't get you.
Guys, I just turned it on. This is the room. Very simple. This is where I paid a huge sum of money. But it's still clean. I like how clean it is. And the lighting, this toilet system. Sincerely speaking, this place is clean. Like, that's even one of the reasons why I don't complain though. I just took it. So this is the view from the inside. Nothing spectacular, nothing serious. That's it. I've not told them the story of how I got almost sent back to my village.
What's up now? This is Lagos. So this is, look, we stress. That's how we enjoy Lagos. We stress. We enjoy Lagos.
See how fresh you're looking.
I'm fresh.
Yes.
Hey, it's with the trouble and wahala. That's how we're fresh. That's Lagos. So it's the trouble and the wahala. That's how we are.
But seriously, you're looking fresh.
I'm looking fresh. You stay in Lagos with us.
Baby, I've been thinking about ya and all the things you said that other night. I can't get you off my mind. You're giving me a glimpse of something that I can't get enough of. What are you doing tonight? Is it a bad thing that I wanna know how it feels to hold you?
Hey guys, good evening. Anyways, how is everyone doing? See, this Lagos waka, I've suffered though. I just remember that I've not signed out here, and I decided to come back and say good night because see, my eyes are red. Sure, you can see Lagos have shown me shege. Only first day in Lagos, so, and irrespective of the fact that I'm excited I'm in Lagos, because guys, enough fun things to do in this town. I won't take it away from them, but this town, I understand now why people in this town are angry. The suffer in this town is enough to send anybody back to their village. And I've had one of the experience. I had one of the most I don't know what to call it, but I had one of the most tiring experience today. All I want to do, I've had my shower, I've had a friend brought me food and drinks. So as you see me so now sleep, better sleep now get me, and that's what I just want to do. Rest my head and figure out what tomorrow will look like, because apparently it's looking like I need to rest and get prepared for this town. But we're here to stay, right? But Adaku people know the door. As much as I love this town, I think Port Harcourt is the best thing that has happened to me. Oh, let me not come and lie here. I'm no beef. I'm not beefing anybody in Lagos, but guys, you guys are trying, and I give it up to you guys, Lagos people. Now we're done. So I'll say good night from this end. I'll see you guys.
Take me back to the night that we first met.
Hey guys, good morning. It's another day in Lagos, and this is like day 2 in Lagos. Day 1 showed me shaggy, I won't lie to you guys. And today I had things planned out. This hotel is freaking expensive. It's above my budget, that's the truth. It's actually 20k for a standard room, which is, I'm not gonna lie, it's expensive, and I don't think I want to stay here. And most of the things I wanted to do is on the island, so I'm just thinking go shower, get my ass moving to the island, because I need to go to Balogu market today. I don't know, I have a list of things to buy and needed to get to the market today, then get it on and over. But my challenge at the moment is the fact that I'm looking for a good hotel to stay. Guys, Lagos hotels are expensive. Like, hey, Jesus. Good clean ones are expensive, I won't lie. I love this hotel, I love how clean it is, but I just had breakfast with them and their breakfast is maybe because I came late, they gave me fried plantain and sauce and then the Lipton tea, 20k, and they're giving me fried plantain. So this is, the hotel is clean, I will not take that away. So I'm checking out this morning. I will head to the island, see if I can get a good place there. I wanted to do a this Airbnb. I don't know what you guys think. Have you used Airbnb before in Lagos? What do you think? What was your experience? Please let me know. Aha, typical Naija. They took the light. Oh my god. Okay, they just restored it. That's another thing I love about this hotel, like reviews of how they ration light, how some of these hotels don't give constant power supply, but this is quite different. So this is one thing I love about this place too. All right, enough of my rambling. We're heading to the island to see if we can get a cheap apartment or hotel, and then I'll just go shower and see you guys when I'm done. Oh god, yeah, so far today the hunt for good hotel is very very strong, and this one is looking like someone that wants to collapse.
I don't collapse.
He just suffered for my hand today.
Oh my god.
Like he has suffered, but he doesn't have a choice. Do you? I'm in town and I can only stress. I'm the only one that can stress you, right?
No, we are sending you back. We are going back to Port Harcourt. Back to Port Harcourt, where you came from.
I'm stressing him, guys, and you're just the only one I know I can stress like this, but we just have to do what we got to do. We'll just hold on, I'll give you guys the gist, because this Lagos life, not suffered life anyway guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Oh my god.
Yeah, we're heading to Surrey.
We're heading to Surrey from Yaba.
Sakura, I wanna bask in light. It's 1 AM, I can spend the night. I don't care about your mood. I'm having none of it tonight. Whoa, I'm having all of you tonight. I'm having all of you tonight.
So guys, here is the room. This is what it looks like, and I love how clean it is. It's very clean, and there's a chair there for those, like if you're a couple and you need to sit down. There's a chair, there's a table like a size 2, and then there's the table, the reading table where you can walk like a workstation, and the wardrobe here. Then there is a mirror here which can be used for selfie or whatever, like your dressing area. And then this is it. I love how clean this hotel is, I won't lie. It's one of the best I saw. Bathroom is cool, everything well arranged. Yeah, and I like the fact that it's really very clean. Well, it's quite pricey and it took me a lot of time. Like it took me hours to get here. Oh, we're here. and I love it for the decor. You need to see the passage. It's so cute. Like, let me just show you guys. You know I'm not allowed to do this. There's a walkway. You see how beautiful the walkway is. Like, this hotel is just a steal. I can imagine how much it would go for it if it was actually on the island. I won't lie, I'm tired. You see this Lagos trip? God of heaven. Is it worth it? I don't know, but I think I'm tired. Like, I've had one of the most strenuous day today. Like, from morning till 6:32, we didn't have anything. Like, see, if you're not following my friend Shino, if you're not following his Instagram page, you have weddings, you have birthdays, you have any form of occasion, and you need a photographer. You're in Lagos State, you have to contact him. He does an amazing job. Sincerely speaking, he's the best photographer you want to use. So I'm sorry you're hearing this. I think that should be the generator. My room is just close to the generator. I didn't bring my tripod. Like, I forgot to bring my tripod. No, my tripod, I couldn't carry it. Let me not say I forgot. I could not carry it because it's bad. So tomorrow I'll try as much as possible to see if I can get a tripod here in Lagos, to save me delivery costs. This chair is somewhere here. I had to move it here just so I can finish this film. So please, you guys should watch. They brought light. God, hallelujah. Like, I can talk and you guys will hear me. My friends are coming over. We are going to have a fun time. So I'll quickly shower and get my ass moving. And I'll let you guys know how it goes. I forgot to mention, I was supposed to go to the island like I told you guys, but I found out that most of my friends are on the mainland, and going to the island means for every time I want to see them or we need to hang out, either they come that direction or I come this direction, which will be so much money. So we agreed that I was going to stay on the mainland, and that was why I decided to stay here. I kind of like it. For the fact that I got a good hotel, I like it. So yeah, that's it. They're coming over, we're gonna hang out and have a good time, and I'll see you guys. I'll also take you guys along. All right, for now, it's good night from here. Have a wonderful night, guys, and thanks for watching. So if you're watching and you've not subscribed or this is your first time of seeing my video, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And if you're a fan of this Lagos market, Eko, I don't know what they call it, I cannot remember. Ujueleba, Abi, Obalanle, I don't know. What I know is Lagos market. Well, if you're a fan of this eco market, please let me know in the comment section. Things are really affordable there, and I love the fact that I could get some of the things that are really very expensive in Port Harcourt. I could get them here at very affordable rates. So the problem with that market is that it's always crowded. I'll see you guys when I see you guys. For now, it's good night. Let me just go shower and get my shit together because I'm gonna hang out this night. See you guys. Bye.